So if you clicked on this video, you're probably wondering, what are the top 3 niches for 2019? Is there even a top 3? Are all niches created equal? Does it matter what you get into? Well, you should always get into what you're passionate about, but if you're kind of on the fence, or you just kind of need that validation that what you're about to get into is a good move, these are going to be my top 3 niches that you should 100% get into in 2019, because in my opinion, they're going to take off, and they're going to take off over the next few years as well, and you're going to get yourself really good positioning.
My name's Anthony. I run an Instagram marketing agency and also run a 1 million follower network on Instagram.
And I make videos like this to help you take your Instagram account from 0 to hero. So make sure you subscribe because this is the Instagram Hub. I'm also going to be giving away something on this video, so make sure you stick around till the end. Now, before I dive headfirst into this video like an Olympic diver, I first want to address all of my subscribers. So if you're not a subscriber, I'm sorry, but I need to address my subscribers here for a second. Any of you guys who've probably been following me since around the 10,000 subscriber to 30,000 subscriber range, you probably remember when I was giving away consultation calls. I was giving away consultation calls where all you had to do was like and comment on my videos, and every week I'd pick a random person, we'd get on the phone and we'd go ahead and we'd start going over your Instagram page or talking about anything, really just helping you grow on Instagram. Now, it has been a long while since I have done that. It's been over 6 months since I've given away free consultation calls to people. But I want to start it back up, okay? Usually, if someone's gonna go ahead and message me and ask me for consulting to pay me for an hour, I usually charge, about $300-400, right? And then I have like a month packages, a month consulting deal. So a 1 hour call with me is, typically you're probably gonna pay about $300 for. I'm gonna be giving away one hour consultation call every single week to one of you guys who just like and comment on the video, which is exactly what I've done in the past. The reason why I want to give away a consultation instead of giving away a product, right? Because consultation is actually taking up my time. Whereas if I gave you guys a product or, a free trial to something or something like that, it's because I actually want to talk to you guys. I actually want to know who it is, who's that person there who's actually trying to grow on Instagram. I want to give you customized advice, and I really want to just get to know you guys, get to know my subscribers better. I love connecting with you guys one-on-one, and I loved when I was a smaller channel, say less than 10,000 followers, because I was able to connect with all you guys one-on-one. It was easier to manage. Now it's just so much harder to manage, and getting those one-on-one interactions with you guys for a good amount of time is just a lot harder for me now. So here is how it's going to go down. If you want to get a free 1 hour consultation call with me, this is all that you have to do. I'm gonna be uploading, and on all of my uploads, make sure you turn on post notifications so you're notified. You're just gonna like and comment on my videos, right? I'm gonna pick a random comment once a week, and I'm gonna give that person a free consultation call. So now obviously you can tell if I uploaded 5 videos in a week and you comment on all 5 of those videos, you now have a much greater chance than if you commented on just one, because I'm gonna pick a random video and a random comment. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm going to screenshot whoever's comment one. I'm gonna pick by random, by the way. Whoever's comment I picked by random, I'm gonna screenshot, I'm gonna throw it up on my Instagram story. So make sure you're following my Instagram so that you can go ahead and see the story. And I'm just gonna put that comment out there, and I'm gonna tell that person to DM me, and we're gonna set up the consultation call, and literally that is it. So all you have to do is like and comment on my YouTube videos, and then follow my Instagram so you can see winners announced, and you will probably be winning very soon if you go ahead and comment. Now that's 1 call being given away every single week, so that is 4 calls a month. I may start doing more, but again, consultation calls do take up my actual time, my actual personal and business time. So I'm gonna stick with this because I know for sure I can maintain this. And if I can do more, I'll go ahead and I'll start doing more. Turn on post notifications for YouTube, like and comment the videos when they come out, follow my Instagram, and maybe you will be on there as a winner. Now, let's get into the top 3 niches of 2019. Now, the first niche that I want to go ahead and talk about is I want to talk about the cannabis niche or the weed niche, whatever it is that you want to call it. I think this niche is one of the best niches that you can get into in 2019 and really set you up not only for 2019, but for the years to come. As it's legalized across states in the US, soon the whole country will probably be going ahead and having cannabis completely legal, which means there's gonna be a lot more things you can do with it. There's gonna be a lot of stores coming up. I mean, who knows what's gonna pop up? Who knows what type of products or services are going to come out of this? And right now we are in these beginning stages. It's still in the beginning stages where not all states have this legalized yet. And there's not a lot of people doing this at all. A lot of people are just simply sleeping on this. Imagine if you started a cannabis page right now, and then in a year from now, all the Shopify stores, all the drop shippers selling products like that are going to you for shout outs. Big dispensaries are going to you for promotions. I can't even really list all the types of things that you can do to make money with this page because there's so much opportunity that is going to emerge. It's impossible to say exactly how you're going to be able to monetize. But if I had to put bets on it, if I was going to start growing an account right now and I had to pick any niche to pay off in the long term, I'd definitely dive headfirst into the cannabis niche. I actually might. If I do start up a cannabis page, which I really might do, I'll document it on here. On top of that, things that you could go ahead and promote right now is CBD. CBD is trending. A lot of people are using it. A lot of people being sponsored by companies for it. That's one thing that you could immediately go and monetize with, and it's just becoming more accepted. Just my opinion, that's something that I would personally get into. The second thing that I would get into is your personal brand. Building your own personal brand, your name up. And the reason why I say this, the reason why I'm putting that into this category, into this top 3 niches for 2019 is because personal branding is super, super powerful. Personal branding is beating business branding by a ton. People like to connect with an individual. And the thing about building out your personal brand, when you are building out your personal brand on Instagram, you are building a empire, building a name for yourself that will stick with you for life. A company can go bankrupt, your company can have its ups and downs, you can lose passion for it, but you can't lose passion for yourself, you can't lose passion for your name, and as you change over years, you'll always be able to dive into different things and promote different types of products depending on how you're feeling, right? Obviously, if you start your personal brand right now and you're building your name, it might not be the same 5-10 years from now, or you might want to add something more. Whereas if you had a straight up business page and you were no longer passionate about that, you can't go from, let's say you were a supplement company and then just straight up completely flop over into, being for sake of example, like a coach, like a wellness coach or something, or a life coach. Because those are 2 completely different businesses. But with your name, you could totally sell supplements through your name. And then 5-10 years from now, you build up this massive following. People are taking inspiration from you. And now you could offer consulting, coaching, or anything else like that. Remember, your name will stick with you forever. And that's why I have personal branding on this list. Now, the third niche that I think is one of the best to get into in 2019, this isn't necessarily a new niche, it's not necessarily exciting, and it doesn't apply to everybody, but it's tried and true, and I think a lot of people get scared because they feel like it's getting saturated, but really the saturation doesn't matter, and that niche is fitness, okay? Fitness is one of the best things that you can get into if you're a personal trainer, or if you're just a guy who works out, a girl who works out regularly, you wanna start selling workout programs, you wanna start selling workout courses, doing online coaching, anything like that. Fitness is great. You want to start promoting supplements? Fitness is great because people are constantly looking for it. People are always going to be looking to improve themselves physically, improve themselves mentally, and fitness just encompasses all of that. Especially when you're building a personal brand for fitness, people are going to connect with you as an individual, and it's so easy to sell because fitness is almost like a need nowadays. People do need exercise, otherwise they're going to die. They're going to have heart disease. They're going to have all these different problems, right? And everybody, even though people aren't working out and exercising all the time, people are always going in and out of phases of getting into the gym, getting in shape, falling out, but there's always somebody looking to get in shape. There's never going to be a lack of customers. Now, I know a lot of people are like, I'd love to start up a fitness page. I love to start a personal brand of fitness, but it seems so saturated. There's so many people out there. And what I'll say is this: you do not need 1 million followers to make $1 million, okay? You do not need 1 million followers to make $1 million with anything, any niche. A lot of people think I need a ton of followers and I'm gonna monetize through brand deals. You can monetize many other ways that don't involve having a high number of followers. There's ways to monetize with a very low amount of followers, and saturation really shouldn't be your issue. People are gonna connect with you for you. All you have to do is put your name out there and people will start to connect and will buy your products. So those are the top 3 niches: cannabis, personal branding, and fitness. Let me know what your top niche is in the comments below. And if you want to win a free consultation call, make sure you turn on those notifications, like the video, leave a comment, and then go and follow the Instagram. The Instagram is @RedPillSuccess. I'll be announcing people on my stories. Remember, the more videos coming on, the better chance that you have to win. With all that said, hope you guys are crushing it. If any of you guys want an advanced Instagram training that's going to show you exactly step by step what to do, more than I could ever pack into a YouTube video, I designed a whole webinar for you guys where I break down literally everything. So if you want to go ahead and check that out, I'll leave it linked below in the description. You can go ahead and watch it for yourself. With all that said, keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next one.